Everyone is lying to you about quitting your job and starting to work online. Stick with me a moment. They show you the luxury travel and the laptop lifestyle, but they never tell you about the terrifying silence of your bank account when a guaranteed paycheck disappears. Today we're exposing the brutal psychological shift and the raw accountability required to survive such a transition. Hi there and welcome back to Ruan Road to Riches channel. If you're new here and you want to learn skills to earn money online with your own online business and without even needing tech experience, then my friends, stick around, hit the subscribe button and follow my journey. I remember what it felt like. I was exactly where you are now. I was staring at a clock, waiting for Friday for that direct deposit to hit my account. It was a cycle. It felt safe, but deep down, I knew I wasn't free. I was just comfortable. When I finally made the jump, I realized no one actually tells you about the paycheck shock. You see, for your whole entire life, you've been trained to trade time for dollars. You show up, you do the work, you get paid. But when you start your own digital business, that link is broken. You might work for 30 days straight, or 2 months straight, or 3 months straight, and not see a single dollar. That is the moment where most people quit. And I understand that because your brain starts to freak out. It views the lack of a paycheck as a survival threat. Even if you have money in the bank, your mind tells you that you're failing because the guaranteed money stopped. This is the dopamine withdrawal of the corporate world. You are used to a reward every 2 weeks or every end of the month. Without it, you feel lost. You have to recondition your relationship with money. You have to stop seeing money as a fixed thing that comes from a boss and start seeing it as a result of the value that you create. In a job, someone tells you what to do. They provide the structure. Now, when you leave, that structure is gone. Now, you are the boss, the employee, the janitor. You are everything. And if you don't have a system, you will drift. You'll spend all day busy without actually doing anything that makes money. This is why most people go crawling back to a 9-to-5 within 6 months. Heck, I only made my first money back after 6 months. They couldn't handle the raw accountability. To bridge the gap between that stable paycheck and true freedom, you need high-value skills. You need a way to create results that people actually pay for. You don't need a fancy office or a 10-step morning routine. You need a blueprint that shows you exactly step by step how to build something that lasts. I created something to help you with this transition because I don't want you to feel as lost as I did. It's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint, and I give it away 100% free. It's the exact same document that I sent out in the very first email that I sent out to people who want to work with me. It breaks down how to move from a 9-to-5 mindset into your very own results-based online business. You have to decide today, my friend. Are you okay with the safety of a paycheck that can be taken away from you at any given moment? Or are you ready to face the temporary fear of the unknown to build something that you actually own? The transition is messy. It's scary. It's hard. But on the other side of that fear is the freedom that you've been looking for. And I'm here, my friend, to help you get started. If you want to stop trading your life for a paycheck that barely lasts and start building your own future, I want to help you get there. Just comment the word ready below and I'll show you exactly where to find the free Freedom Formula Blueprint. Let's get to work, my friend. And I'll see you in my next video.